Hi friends, I'm here with Katja of XLAB. You probably heard about Steampunk Spotter, that is an amazing tool that can simplify your Ansible workflow. So Katja, please introduce yourself and tell our friends why it's important for you.
Hi, thanks Luca for having me. I'm from XLAB Steampunk and we are working on a tool that will really help you create, write and then also maintain the Ansible Playbooks. It's really simple to start. You just register and right away you can see the results of the scan of the spotter when you're running them through your playbooks. So I really recommend to try it out. And also we have the app, the dashboard, where you can see the results of your scans and how is with the quality of your playbook. So check it out.
That's great. I heard that there is a free trial. Can you tell us
it is,
more?
of course, because we want our users first to try it out. We also have the free plan. So if you're like individual user, you don't use it inside your company, then you can use the free plan. It has the limitation of the scans, but if you're a more regular user within the company or you're part of the team that is developing the playbooks, then we definitely then recommend to try out the free plan, the free trial, which is like 2 weeks, and then you can also choose the plan that fits your needs.
Sounds amazing. Thank you for this incredible opportunity and let's automate more. Bye!
Bye!